Welcome. In front of me I have Nike Adapt BB 2.0, and today I'll show you how you can make the hardware reset of these shoes. So if you have any problem with the lacing motors, it just became unresponsive and it's not working properly, definitely the hard reset will be a good thing. So to perform the hard reset, we have to press and hold the both buttons for 15 seconds. So if you have problem with this shoe, it is not lacing, you have to make the hardware reset for this one. And if you got problem for both shoe, you have to make the hard reset for the both shoe, right? But let's try to make it on this one. So just simply click and hold the both buttons for like 15 seconds. So let's make it. Okay, right now we can release that key and then just simply press one of the button. As you can see right now it works. So let's try to lace our shoe. And as you can see right now it is working. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave like, comment and subscribe to our channel.